The next thing we'll see something about asymmetric key encryption drawbacks. Like we discussed, some encryption algorithms can be either symmetric or asymmetric. In asymmetric, probably two different keys are used. One key for encryption, other for decryption. So if I just quickly revise the basic process of asymmetric key, let's say Alice and the Bob are trying to communicate with each other. The Bob is going to exchange his public key with Alice, and the person one, Alice, when he is sending the information, he is going to use the public key which is sent by Bob, and then encrypt the information and send it over the network. And the Bob receives the encrypted information and then uses his private key, which is the combination of this public key which he has sent, to decrypt your information. So now the owner who is having the key, only he will be able to decrypt that particular data, which provides a secure communication. Like only owner of the key can decrypt the data. But one of the possible drawback with this method is, like, there is a possibility that the main problem is the trust level of the public key exchange, which means, what if there is an attacker who is trying to spoof as if he is Bob and trying to communicate with Alice, the first person, probably, and then he sends his own public key, and Alice is going to think that he's using the public key of the Bob and send down the information after encrypting, and probably the communication can go between the attacker and the Alice instead of the actual Bob. So this is one of the drawback with the asymmetric algorithms, where the attacker in the middle can actually send his own public key and spoof to be the source, because the process is actually not authenticated. Now to fix this, we have some more better way. There is something called public key infrastructure which is used to fix these drawbacks. So with this, probably with the public key infrastructure method, probably the source will be trusted. It's going to check whether the public key which is sent, is it a trusted site or the trusted user or not.